Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Wilson with Bear Creek Eye Care. Why should you come to Bear Creek Eye Care as opposed to a Costco or Walmart or any other eye doctor for that matter? Well, it's been extremely important to me, a high priority, to have all the very latest technologies available. I go out of my way to investigate the best technologies, the best equipment, the best instrumentation done by the best manufacturers. And I don't mind, in fact, I enjoy purchasing those items so I can incorporate them in our office. We have the very most sophisticated technology. We're able to do CAT scans of the eye itself. It's also known as OCT, or ocular coherence tomography. Those are very, very important tests. We also have ultra-wide field photography where we can photograph 210 degrees of the inside of the eye and then magnify it many, many times. We can even see plaque, cholesterol, and triglycerides in your blood vessels. We also have virtual reality visual fields testing, which is so important to make sure that you're not having loss of vision, which you'd never notice because it's out in your periphery. We have the latest testing for age-related macular degeneration. Our representative tells us there's only about a half dozen of this type of instrumentation throughout all of Southern California. This instrument cost me $55,000 and it only tests for macular degeneration. I'm very proud that we're able to offer it. One of the big problems with vision and comfort nowadays is dry eye. Ocular surface disease causes a dry eye sensation, which frequently you notice a lot of tearing and you can't quite figure out why you have a dry eye. But it's a dry eye. When you wake up and your eyes are gritty and uncomfortable, they're red, they look nasty, it's a dry eye. We have meibography here, and it studies the glands of the eyelids that help produce mucin, proteins, lipids, and oils, which contribute to the watery substance of our eye, which keeps evaporation from taking place. Computers and cell phones cause a real dry eye problem. These problems need to be identified immediately, and if they're not, you start to lose glands. Some of the loss of glands is forever, and you will therefore have forever a dry eye. So come to Bear Creek Eye Care and be assured that you're going to get the most sophisticated instrumentation. We also have extremely capable staff, and our office presents itself as being very warm and family-like. We even have a couple dogs at the office. We will not introduce the dogs if they're going to be any way at all as interference with you. We recognize that some people don't like pets, but we're very family oriented and it's a very relaxed way of having your eyes examined. We also have almost 1,000 frames, fashion eyewear frames, and our staff is trained very carefully in providing those frames and knowing what the characteristics should be for you to look your best. And then finally, our lens technology, whether it be contact lenses or spectacle lenses, we are up on the latest and can give you recommendations on which aspects of the lenses, whether it be a non-glare coat or transition type lenses that change with the sunlight, what type of progressive lens to wear, and many other types of aspects about what kind of lenses to use. We're all up on the latest technology with those aspects.